Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad, and it's been 2 years since I've installed my stealth light bar from Quadratec. So I figured I'd do a quick video and let you know how it's been. As you can see, it's still installed. I love the light bar and I use it all the time. I've had zero issues with it, and it's been one of the best things I've purchased for the Jeep since I've started putting stuff on it. Now, initially I did have a couple of issues with the light bar where it was leaking light back in underneath the light bar back into the Jeep, and it was quite annoying driving at night. If you look at my previous video, I did put some weather stripping on the bottom of it. I'll put the link down below for the weather stripping I used, but that blocked all the light that was bleeding back in or flashing back in from the windshield back into the Jeep, and I've had zero issues with it ever since then. I've had it for 2 years. It's been out in the heat, it's been out in the cold. It always works, and I think it looks quite good. And I have nothing above the Jeep making a lot of wind noise and everything. Now, some might argue it takes up a little of your viewing angle out the window. Yes, but the Jeep doesn't have great visibility out the front anyway because the windshield's so small. A little bit you're losing there isn't that big of an issue. The amber still works as well. Like I said, everything works perfectly. I've had zero issues with it. Had to do nothing with it other than putting that little weather stripping along the bottom to stop the flashback. If you have any questions about the light bar or need any more details, please make sure to look at my first video. I'll link it down below and up in the corner over here. Light bar's off. You still can't see it. Unless you look really close, you can see the light bar in there, but that's one of the things I like about it the most. There's no wind noise, and when it's off, it doesn't draw any added attention. Some might say, yeah, it's a lifted Jeep, it's gonna draw some attention, but without the light bar on it, it does think it has a nice clean look, and it still looks nice and stock. All right, here we go, this is just the headlights. With the light bar. Amber.